Hello there, we're the Wandering Naps. We lived on a boat for 4 years and traveled Florida, the Keys, and the Bahamas, and now we're on a cruise ship to visit the islands we couldn't on our own boat.
So, which island did we visit today?
St. Lucia.
St. Lucia. Carter, what did we do in St. Lucia?
Why don't you remind us, Mom?
It was called the Best of St. Lucia,
Yes.
and it really was a really good tour.
It was really long.
It was all day.
Oh, it was the all-day one. I see what we did.
We did. It was also twisty turny.
Yeah, the roads were kind of like a roller coaster, but not too much.
What we really liked was a lot of times you do excursions, and it's like you're there in the town for 8, 9, 10 hours.
Yeah.
And it's a 2.5 hour thing. This was like 7, 8 hours. We left within like 30 minutes of docking and got back 30 minutes prior to departing.
Yeah.
And so if you're ever you want to do the Best St. Lucia off a cruise ship, it's definitely worth the extra money.
Yeah, I enjoyed how long it was, and that we got to do land and sea. I like that. And so we did get to swim in St. Lucia.
Yep.
And their sand it's black sand.
Yep. Why is it black?
Volcanic.
Did you like the black sand?
Ash,
Very much.
rocks.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoy this week's video in St. Lucia. And as always,
Enjoy the journey.
After leaving Dominica, our cruise ship passed Martinique and went to St. Lucia. That's where we headed for the day. We are in St. Lucia today. This is like on my bucket list, so I'm most excited about this. We have a long day for an excursion. We had to get up early at 7 o'clock, which left some of my family not very happy. And right outside our window is our port. We're going to do Sulphur Springs, a catamaran ride to the Tetons, and I'm not sure what else, but we will be showing you all of it.
I think we might get to drive to the volcano or something today.
Oh yeah, and a volcano.
I don't know.
Let's go.
That you return on board no later than 5:30 p.m. Once again.
So we woke up at 7 this morning and ate breakfast and got off the cruise ship very early so we wouldn't be late to our excursion. Good news, we weren't late, but we're an hour early. No, I'm thinking he's better than the video. It'll go like
We are now departing Point Seraphine, the extension port to Port Castries. This port Castries will take shipments and cargoes and domestic goods, as well as a ferry terminal for express diesel. Amazon Vesicala or Jacques in Creole. The road for England, Fleur de Lis for France. The chair for the African state, the touch the beacon of light tank that can hold 9 million barrels of crude oil. In St. Lucia, we don't have fuel.
You have to try, what is it?
This is banana ketchup.
Yes, anybody else want to try?
Oh, we have to. Oh, I love it, yeah.
Can we try the banana ketchup?
You know what? You do the honor.
I'll do it.
Banana
Share my
ketchup.
family.
Let me give you some more chips. There you go.
That's a plantain?
Yes. Slip them for me, okay?
Mom, you know we need a
Just gonna put a drop on.
Of course. Okay,
Take a chip.
I want to try it
Just gonna
too.
put a drop on there.
I can share the chip. That's a big drop. Hold on.
Banana ketchup.
Is it good? No.
You also have drinks, water,
Caleb?
soda,
Jason?
here.
Carter?
It's okay.
Who's the
It's like
chef in
ketchup.
your house?
Need a picture of Perry eating.
Chase has been taking a picture of his seal. Let me see your seal.
It's not horrible.
No, it's not. Carter, what do you think?
Honey barbecue?
Honey barbecue. Oh, that's a lot.
Honey barbecue? Honey barbecue?
I actually like the ketchup one better.
We use bananas as a vegetable here on the island. Our main dish is green bananas and the codfish.
Carter, you want some banana bread?
You guys some?
If they have just
Banana bread. You want to share one
I
to share
know
or
just
two?
plain
This
banana.
one to share.
Can we get one slice of your banana bread?
Ooh, that looks good. How's that banana bread?
Good.
Good? What flavor is that?
Strawberry? Is it peanut?
Also known as the forgotten boundary back in the 18th century. Why? Here are our lovely, majestic pitons. They gained World Heritage Site in 2004. We have Copiton and Petit Piton.
So right here we have the spider orchid. These leaves are called the spider orchid because the flowers are shaped like spiders. So these are the only spiders in St. Lucia that don't bite. So you pass it around.
Are they orchids?
Oh my heavens.
So pretty.
We were to use freestones and some wood to do the cooking. So if this hut was to be burned down, it would be the only hut going down. Very smart idea. Right here we have the living room where the children would be placed there during the day, since this hut would be too small and less air would pass through. So right here we have a cocoa pod which we call kako or the jungle eminence. Inside this pod you can find 30 to 40 beans inside this pod. It's very easy. All you gotta do is suckle it like a sweet. We don't bite, we don't swallow. So you take one, where it will be pushed out into the sun for 2 to 3 weeks. After we pull it back in, it will be placed into this cauldron to polish and preserve the beans from spoiling. So Hanson right here is going to demonstrate how we polish and preserve the beans from spoiling with the cocoa renaissance. So right here is the calabash. Beans have been polished and preserved. We place them back onto this wooden tray to the back of you, where it will be pushed out into the sun for 5 more days. After we roast it, this is how you get 100% chocolate, no sugar added from the beans you just sucked on. So right now we'll be tasting after we roast the beans.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Let me see. You like it?
Chocolate without sugar. It's quite better.
Yeah.
Then they
It's like a true dark chocolate.
And they add the cocoa
I don't
cream.
taste like coffee.
It's like a coffee chocolate mix kind of taste because it's. I'm sure that coffee is similar in a bean, right? Cocoa bean.
Get rid of this outside, then you roast it, and then this is what you get.
So this sugar mill is powered by a donkey named Noel. As Noel goes around, the top of the sugar mill will be turning. So the sugar cane right here will be placed between the metal boulders where the juice will be extracted and collected. This is how we make molasses. When it fermentates, you get alcohol.
Come on, bro.
On top.
I've tasted it already.
Okay.
What kind of a tree is it?
Sure.
This is a breadfruit tree right here.
Yeah. Good.
In the year 70s.
They're gonna.
That sulfur smell is
You're fine. Go
awful.
ahead. You're fine. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
It's more sulfury than I think Yellowstone even.
28.
How are you doing, brother?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
What do you think?
Smells like rotten eggs.
Yeah, it's bad.
Look at those
What
beautiful
about sunshine?
leaves.
I'm a Texan boy. Oh,
Texan boy.
I'm
Oh, boy.
I'm from Texas. I live
Thank you.
But thank God that
They don't have
before
thermal
there was
plants.
signs. So there was a plan.
second half of the cruise?
Yeah, second half. We did the land tour. Now we're going to get on the boat. We're going to go see the pitons from water, and then they're going to take us back to the cruise ship.
Good afternoon, wakey wakey.
Good afternoon.
Hey, how are you guys doing? Even if this part is a relaxation part,